cannot stop now.
That's right.
We have come too far. We are moving forward with jobs. We are moving forward with investments. We are moving forward with growth and development. Our growth agenda, guided by our fiscal policy, is designed to achieve the best for our country. The Jamaican people have kept faith with us. Their sacrifices are paying off. Jamaica now stands on the threshold of a brighter tomorrow. Our economy has stabilized. We have been meeting our targets and have passed all 7 quarterly IMF tests so far. We have restored international credibility. Jamaica's creditworthiness has been upgraded. The Bank of Jamaica is reporting significant activity in the microfinance sector. Jamaica attracted US $707 million in foreign direct investments over the 12 months ending September 2014. The UDC is positioned to spend $2.5 billion on capital development and investment projects this year. The UDC is projected to make a modest operational profit by the end of this financial year. My government has been pursuing a comprehensive energy strategy. The US $90 million wind project by Blue Mountain Renewables, the expansion of the capacity of the Wigton wind farm, and an investment to be made in a solar facility in the constituency of Southwest Clarendon are further examples of this important strategy. Rusal Alpart commenced extraction of bauxite. The company is on track to hire 250 people in total for the duration of the project.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Jamaica welcomed over 3.5 million visitors to the island in 2014. Over $1.6 billion will be expended in various programs across the island, including an all-island public beach park program, health tourism projects, including the Milk River Hotel, and an island-wide rest stop program. We are taking a targeted and focused business approach to the related cultural, creative, science, technology, energy, and math industries. This year, this government has budgeted over $2.6 billion across ministries in support of the creative economy. Investment in sport infrastructure continues during 2015, including the reconstruction of the running track and infield at GC Foster College of Physical Education, the Jamaican Athletes Insurance Plan, and will also become a reality 2015-2016. To support our growth strategy and our social development, we're improving our infrastructure. Last year, I opened the Monigue leg of the North-South Highway. The developers have promised completion of the roadway by or before December next year. We're moving ahead with other important roadworks under the Major Infrastructure Development Program. The Port Authority of Jamaica has concluded a long-term concession to expand the Kingston Container Terminal. In this upcoming financial year, there will be greater emphasis on expanding rural water supply projects to areas that are still underserved. We want more Jamaicans to own a piece of this rock. An important part of any growth strategy is an educated and trained population. The Heart Trust NTA is being repositioned to focus on the creation of a comprehensive national training agency to drive workforce development.
Protect my people, child.
Our children are our future leaders. We will protect them. The law is to be amended to allow for stiffer penalties where a girl is murdered and the perpetrator knew that she was pregnant. The growth and development we seek for our country cannot be achieved without a healthy population. $7 billion is being added to the allocation for health in this year's budget. It is the largest increase in this budget. I sincerely empathize with all the persons who were affected by the fire at the Riverton City disposal site. Through the coordinated efforts of the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, and several public and private sector agencies and partners, we passed the worst. Thank you for your dedication and hard work. Tangible developments are taking place in the country. The growth agenda is Jamaica's agenda. We're moving forward